Hi everyone, it's Adam here from adaminsights.com. In this video we're going to build the LEGO Polaroid OneStep SX-70 model camera. Someone gifted this to me. I've been excited to try and build it for a little while. Finally we've got round to it and it actually seems really cool. I really like the retro vibe to it. It is a model of a real retro Polaroid camera. As everyone else on this channel knows, I love cameras and everything to do with them. It's also a working model, so once it's actually fully built, you can use the mechanism that you build with it to insert these sample Polaroid pictures, and when you push the shutter button, they'll pop straight back out again. So it's got that Lego Technic vibe to it as well as a really nice retro style look and feel. You get a film holder with it as well, so it just looks great and I'm really looking forward to it. So let's get straight into it and give the time-lapse function on my real camera a red hot go. Just a few observations. I personally don't do a lot with Lego, so this is a little bit new to me, but the instructions are actually really comprehensive. You get a little bit of a history lesson about Polaroid in the instructions as well, so the instructions are actually kind of fun to read for someone like me. They're also really easy to follow, which is great, and overall this took us about 4 hours to build. Probably started to get a bit more enthusiastic about it by the time that we were getting towards the end of the build and it's starting to take shape. That said, as we're building different components, it would have been probably better if we'd known exactly what part of the camera we were building, because we were sort of at sea a little bit and wondering what are we actually doing and weren't entirely sure how everything was meant to go together, but eventually we got there. A few things I would say. The angled sides of the model don't exactly clip firmly into place, and there's a few light leaks there, so that was a little bit disappointing. I always want to make sure there's no light leaks in a camera, but it's cool, it's still a nice working model. Also, I think that the viewfinder could have a little bit of better coverage. All in all though, this was a lot of fun to build. It was a great way to spend an afternoon, and hoping to do another similar model sometime soon.